What causes special teams breakdowns, player or scheme? Imagine a game where a single missed tackle or a poorly timed block can change the entire outcome. Special teams are often the hidden game changers, but what really causes those costly breakdowns? Is it the players on the field or the way the team plans and sets up those plays? Let's break it down using real football facts and stats to find out. Special teams cover kickoffs, punts, field goals, and returns. These plays make up about 17 to 20% of all game actions and can decide who gets better field position or scores. Because of that, both individual effort and team strategy matter a lot. When a kickoff coverage team allows the opponent to start near midfield, it usually points to player mistakes like missed tackles or poor pursuit angles. Metrics like how many yards the returner gains or how often players miss tackles help us see where the problems are coming from. On the other hand, scheme design is just as important. If the coverage team lines up poorly or leaves gaps for the returner to exploit, it doesn't matter how good the players are. A well-designed scheme will position players to cover the field better and minimize risks. For example, if the blocking scheme doesn't protect the kicker well, it can lead to blocked field goals or punts, even if the players are trying their best. Statistics show that kickoff coverage performance is strongly linked to winning games. Teams that consistently give up long returns or allow opponents to start on their own 40-yard line often struggle to win. But some parts of special teams, like kick returns, show less direct impact from scheme or player mistakes, which means the cause can vary depending on the play. Coaches use detailed stats to figure out what's going wrong. If coverage is poor despite players making good tackles, it might be a scheme issue. If players are missing tackles or committing penalties often, then personnel problems are likely. For example, a player with high missed tackle rates and frequent penalties suggests a need for better individual training or roster changes. In the end, special teams breakdowns usually come from a mix of both player errors and scheme flaws. Looking at player stats like opponent starting field position, return yardage, and penalties helps identify whether the problem is with the players or the plan. Good teams match their players' skills with smart schemes and keep analyzing their stats to fix issues. That way, they can turn special teams from a weakness into a strength.